Hey makers, ever feel like you're pulling numbers out of thin air when pricing your art or handmade products? Or worse, charging too little and barely breaking even? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the biggest pricing mistakes creatives make and a simple way to start pricing confidently without the guesswork. I'm Karen Spencer, an artist and accountant. And I created From Craft to Cash, the ultimate pricing guide to help you stop underselling your work and start earning what you deserve. And yes, it's totally free. The link is in the description. Let's start with common pricing traps. Basing your pricing on what others are charging. You don't know their costs or their goals. 2, not paying yourself for your time. Your time is valuable. It's not just materials that matter. And 3, pricing emotionally. We often fear that people won't pay, but the right customers will when you communicate your value. Here's a super simple formula to get you started. Materials plus time plus overhead plus profit equals your price. Let's break it down. Materials, what you spend to make the product. So any supplies that are directly related to making that specific product. Time, pay yourself an hourly rate. Yes, even if it's a side hustle, you deserve money for your time. Overhead, things like studio rent, packaging, Etsy fees, tools, these can add up. And a profit margin. This ensures your business can grow. Even if you're just starting out, this structure helps you price with intention. I used to undercharge constantly until I realized I was burning out and still not making ends meet. Once I adjusted my prices using the method I've outlined, not only did I make more, but I attracted customers who respected my work. If this hits home for you, grab my free guide, From Craft to Cash, the ultimate pricing guide. It's packed with real-life examples, calculators, and tips that make pricing feel way less overwhelming. The link is in the description below. Let me know in the comments below, what's the biggest challenge you faced while pricing? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip to help you grow your creative business.